Hey guys, Zaman here. In this video I am going to show you how to transfer our WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone or from iPhone to Android easily. If you have switched to a new phone and excited to enjoy the new features of your device, but unfortunately all the old messages from your WhatsApp will not be available with your new device. So we have come up with an easy solution that will help you to transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iPhone or from iPhone to Android easily. So we will use iCare Phone WhatsApp Transfer. With this, you can transfer WhatsApp messages from phone to phone. The download link of this software is available in the video description. So after installation, launch the iCare Phone WhatsApp Transfer. It also supports WhatsApp Business, Kik, Viber as well. Here are two ways to transfer WhatsApp messages from phone to phone. First method is to transfer WhatsApp messages from phone to phone, and the second method is take backup WhatsApp messages to computer. Once you have backed up, you can either restore to iOS device or in Android device. Let's start with the first method. Select Transfer tab, then connect both of your phones to the PC. The WhatsApp messages will transfer from source phone to destination one. Make sure the positions of source and destination are correct. If not, click flip to change the position, then click transfer. You will get the pop-up when transfer WhatsApp messages from Android to iOS. You need to take the backup of your WhatsApp data from the source phone. Now wait until WhatsApp transfer completes. Then you can view Android WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. If there is a large amount of WhatsApp data detected on your phone, it will take some time to complete the process. Now verify WhatsApp account, choose the country and enter phone number. Ensure the cables are connected during WhatsApp transfer. In a while, the transfer will be complete. Now the process has completed. And now you can check the WhatsApp data on your target iOS device. So the link to this software is available in the video description, so must check it out. So that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment down below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.